Let's be real. We've all seen those TikTok transformations where guys buzz their heads and look absolutely incredible. But here's the truth nobody's talking about. For every successful buzz cut, there are dozens of guys staring in the mirror, wondering what they just did to themselves. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to know if a buzz cut will work for you, and more importantly, how to actually pull it off. No hype, just real talk about what you need to know before taking the plunge. First up, let's address the elephant in the room. Facial structure. Your face shape is about to become the main character of your look, because a buzz cut hides nothing. That jawline you've been blessed with, it's going to pop. That nose you're slightly insecure about? Yeah, it's going to be more noticeable. Here's the golden rule. Buzz cuts work best on guys with defined facial features and balanced proportions. If you've got a rounder face or fuller cheeks, you need to be extra careful. That short hair will emphasize the roundness, and suddenly you're looking more like a bowling ball than Brad Pitt. But don't click away just yet. There's a game-changing trick that most barbers won't tell you about. It's all about the fade. A uniform buzz cut is amateur hour. What you want is a subtle length difference between the top and sides. I'm talking about keeping the top at a number 3 or 4, while fading the sides down to a 2 or 1. This creates dimension and prevents that just got out of boot camp look. Now let's talk about your secret weapon, facial hair. A buzz cut with a clean-shaven face can look pretty stark, but add some strategic stubble or a well-groomed beard. The contrast between your buzzed head and facial hair creates visual interest and can actually help define your face shape. Think of it as contouring for men, but with hair. Here's something nobody talks about. Your eyebrows are about to become way more important. Strong, well-groomed eyebrows can make a buzz cut look intentional and masculine. If yours are on the lighter or thinner side, consider getting them professionally shaped or using a brow gel to enhance them. Let's address the style factor. Some guys worry a buzz cut is boring, but that's missing the point entirely. A buzz cut is like a blank canvas. It makes everything else you wear look more intentional. Those minimalist outfits, they look more sophisticated. For the bold ones out there, let's talk about the platinum buzz cut trend. Yes, it's dramatic. Yes, it's high maintenance. But if you've got the confidence and style to back it up, it can be an absolute game changer. Just remember, this is advanced level stuff. Master the regular buzz cut first. Here's your pre-buzz cut checklist. Take a good look at your head shape. Any bumps or uneven areas will be visible. Consider your face shape. Oval and square faces typically work best. Check your scalp condition. One final pro tip. The buzz cut isn't just a haircut, it's a statement. It says you're confident enough to let your features speak for themselves. When done right, it's not about what you're taking away. It's about what you're highlighting. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button for more no BS style advice. Drop a comment below with your buzz cut experiences. Success stories or horror stories, we want to hear them all.